Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to do a quick video on how to install a center stand on a 1989 to 2008 Harley Touring Bike. This particular stand I got off of eBay, but they sell them on Amazon. Yes, it's one of those Chinese made center stands, but it's worth the money. This stand comes with two 3/4 inch bolts screwed through a top plate. And your first step is just to remove the bolts from the top plate. Next, you remove the top plate from the center stand. Position the center stand so that the kick leg is facing to the left, or position it to where your normal jiffy stand or kickstand is positioned. Take note on how the top of the center stand flexes or bends. Next, go under the bike just in front of the transmission. It's like you'll see a brace right by the transmission, between the transmission and the engine block. You see a brace with two large holes in it. Those are factory stamped. It's a factory stamped out piece. And you'll position the top plate on top of that brace. When you slide in the top plate, make sure the two hooks in the top plate fits perfectly against the curve in the cross member. Next, you'll position the center stand under the bike on the bottom of the cross plate with the kick leg pointing to the left, and you'll line up the holes that's in the center stand to the holes in the top plate and screw in the bolts one side at a time. You'll need both hands to do this to make it easier. Once you have both screws screwed in the holes, you screw them down and torque them down to 30 foot-pounds. That's it. It's that simple. Now you have a center stand for your touring bike. Makes working on it a lot easier when you're doing certain procedures. All right, y'all. Until next time, I'm out.